ama-questions azobuzwa ukuthi i-management yeMamelodi Sundowns i-right na ukuthi igcine uCardoso because ama-fans they've been calling for his head for some time manje. I remember this one time ngise-stadium ama-fans akhuluma straight noMtsipe omncane laphana wathi we hear you, washo laphana kuma-fans ukuthi we hear you mabethi Cardoso must go because ama-fans abona ukuthi uCardoso uyayi-destroy iMamelodi Sundowns. Yes, iMamelodi Sundowns superpower inama-players well equipped good but uMiguel Cardoso yena wenzani because uthola i-team edlala kahle kakhulu. Ama-results boyinkinga bekungasi-inkinga yokudlala inside the field of play. In terms of i-performance Mamelodi Sundowns beyiperforma but ama-results yiwo inkinga. But-ke manje so ne-performance sokuyinkinga, you don't even see Mamelodi Sundowns free flowing eyale nale create ama-opportunities amaningi. But-ke ama-questions ekumele siwabuze ukuthi i-management ihleli ithini yona, yiphi i-decision azoyithatha uMtsipe bafowethu lo umncane. I mean khona izinto ezinye uzibuza ukuthi mawuhleli uzibuza ukuthi okay into ekanje nekanje yenzakala kanjani. I wanna go back to ama-penalty lawa izolo. Mamelodi Sundowns okay Marumo Gallants ine-chance ukuthi ishaye Mamelodi Sundowns last penalty of the game kumele akore Marumo Gallants. uRonan Williams yalisave i-penalty then i-camera shoots straight to ama-stands and then isibonisa i-management yeMamelodi Sundowns ne-sporting director ba-composed and then uMukwena mekora lela bhola leya baqala uku-celebrate ngathi bawinile. Yena uMtsipe lo mncane sengikhohlwe igama lakhe ukuthi bathi ubani, uMtsipe omncane uyacelebrate laphana ujabulile. Ama-penalty awakapheli nokuphela but uyacelebrate mentally naye ukuphi as i-management as i-leader ye-team. Few minutes later iMamelodi Sundowns iyashaywa and then uyambona ukuthi frustrated ufuna nokukhala izinto ezinjalo. What you cannot celebrate ilokhunjana i-match ingakapheli number one. You have to wait for the final whistle ukuthi okay iMamelodi Sundowns yes sewinile. Bajabula bayahleka kumnandi just from ukuthi lo Mukwena uRonan Williams usave i-penalty uMukwena uyakora but still Marumo Gallants they're still in the game. They just have to keep scoring. But-ke bona ba-celebrate laphana kuma-grandstand. Loku raise ama-questions ukuthi okay is he naye at the helm le phezulu well equipped ukuthi alide njengobabakhe because ubabakhe when he was there was respected mekhona laphana kuma-grandstand akudlalwa ama-players they were performing because they understood ukuthi what this thing means for uPatrice Motsepe and then-ke manje ulethe ingane yakhe mhlampe kayi-understand if ibekiwe nje laphana but-ke obviously ibhola akusi-passion yakhe number one but mhlampe u-businessman bamfaka ey'cathulweni zokuthi alandele iy'cathulo zakababakhe but maybe is not well equipped ukuthi enze izinto zenzeke laphana. But yeah, I mean management they need a restructuring from i-management. Abantu they've been calling for ubani uBerg or ubani lo Fleming or ubani lo i-sporting director eMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi naye akahambe because ama-signings wakhe the way yenza ngakhona izinto is not okay kwasha kwacima. But-ke yibo aba-leader laphana they have to make ama-decisions are strong ukuthi okay this thing is not working, this is working, how can we move forward from this thing and try to influence izinto shape izinto kanje nakanje nakanje. Lawo ama-discussions akumele babe nawo moving the club forward because i-standard seMamelodi Sundowns high kakhulu and if abamxosha uMiguel Cardoso this would raise questions ukuthi okay coach abamnyama bayaxoshwa immediately mabangenzi kahle akuthathwa nesikhathi kuthiwa I remember i-conference yakhe uJunior Mtsipe methi the club is moving in a different direction, we are restructuring, we've decided we want to move forward with the project blah 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 and we would like to introduce a Portuguese coach ubani uMiguel Cardoso washo kanjalo and then mabexosha ubani uManqoba Mnqithi. Manje basithola ku-situation la bashawe Orlando Pirates few weeks back kwe-1080, bashawa manje Golden Arrows last week, bashawa manje ilokhunjani Marumo Gallants ku-culling knockout. And this cup they were desperate to win this competition but unfortunately yeah bayisuthile induku. I mean they really have to shape and change izinto balethe ucoach number 1 ozoconnecta right nama-players. uMiguel Cardoso, there are few things enginga-understand ngoMiguel Cardoso. Uyazi ukuthi udlala ngamaphi ama-player, uyazi ukuthi imaphi ama-player angawafuni. Washo straight ukuthi ama-player lawa angadlali, akathandi ama-player ahlala ebhentshini or ahlala kuma-grandstand engadlali. So uzomake sure ukuthi lama-player lawa amaningi angadlali ayahamba laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns, uzomake sure. But-ke i-promise yakhe azange ayigcine. Why ngithi azange ayigcine i-promise? Because ama-player afana nolokhu njani uMaseko bengadlali laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns. Beku-obvious ukuthi uzohamba, but guess what, uMaseko akahambanga, namanje ukhona laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns. U-on and off, umbona ebhentshini, umbona kuma-grandstand, ukhona akekho, konke nje loko kuhlukumeza i-team. You have one of the best players in South African football, uBasadeni osayiniwe kuMamelodi Sundowns, but-ke abakamtholeli iplani le-right. What mefika laphana bambeka ku-right back, uyabona ukuthi there's so much kune-disconnect between i-team ne-technical, ama-players ne-technical team. Izinto ekumele bey'lungise. Bangalungisa ngoMiguel? I don't think so. I don't think bangakwazi ukulungisa ngoMiguel. But enye into, uMiguel mexoshwa noma ehamba, usayina ama-players wasePortugal awu-2. Yayibona-ke inkinga? Awu-2 and then ba-expected ukuthi ba-deliver for i-team. If akasekho uMiguel kuzokwenziwa njani-ke ngalama-player? But-ke ama-player are-good. I think I saw like ukuthi bayakwazi ngempela ukudlala, bayakwazi ukuhlanganisa, bayakwazi ukwenza izinto zenzeke laphana overall. But we just have to wait and see ukuthi overall bazofitha kanjani. If like they decide to bring a new coach, lama-players lawa amasha azofitha kanjani ku-plan laka-new coach. But overall, I mean, those two guys are good players. Like Santos is a good player, Oresinho is a very, very good player. So they can continue, they can strive, they can get some result with or without uMiguel. Why ngicabanga nginasho uMiguel we-Kaizer Chiefs? uMiguel Cardoso, yes. But yeah, decision ilele ku-management ukuthi imisa kanjani. And njengoba bengibuzile ukuthi yena lo hleli lena phezulu bafethu i-chairman yeMamelodi Sundowns manje umuntu ngempela ongizokwazi ukulida iMamelodi Sundowns to greater heights na njengobabakhe. Because iMamelodi Sundowns, even when they were not getting results during isikhathi sakababakhe, you would see inside the field of play ukuthi ba-warrior, bayalwa, they are pushing ngempela ukuthi bathole ama-result nanokuthi bathathe i-team bayibeke esicongweni. Akwenzeki-ke lokhu manje, because you can lose. But how do you lose? Do you create enough chances? Do you, I mean, those things izinto kumele ebhekwe overall. But-ke sebafisela inhlanhla iMamelodi Sundowns heading to amanye amagame, heading to i-CAF Champions League, i-league, kuzoza i-Nedbank Cup again next year. Manje nje ngizothi danko bafowethu, next year or early this year lapho nje, late this year, sobona ukuthi izoza nini i-Nedbank Cup. Danke bafowethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. Is making sure ukuthi le page lifika ku-15,000 subscribers. Danko.